Welcome, everybody, to another episode of Maternity Monday. And I am Dr. Dali,
Dr. Valerie.
and today we are going to talk about something that we both love. So, chiropractic and pregnancy, and why it's so important to have chiropractic care during this amazing time of our life, pregnancy. And if you are expecting, you're trying to conceive, or just curious about how to support a healthy pregnancy naturally, this episode is for you. So let's just dive in and start with why chiropractic care is so important during pregnancy.
So 80% of women present a lower back pain or any kind of pain in her back during pregnancy. So let's start saying that pregnancy is an incredible journey. And just imagine having that incredible journey that you have been waiting for so long to get pregnant and not be able to enjoy that time because you're in a lot of pain all the time. And that happened to many moms. So that's one of our goals as chiropractors that work with pregnancy, is that we were able to help you enjoy and prepare your body during that time. So during that time, your body is going to have a lot of gravitational changes. So your belly is going to grow, your posture will shift. Your spine and your pelvic go through a lot of stress. There's a baby growing, putting pressure there, and in some point it's going to start kicking as well, and you're going to feel all of that. So that's why chiropractors come in and we're able to help you. So let's talk more specific about the during pregnancy.
Yes, though one of the main benefits that we have is that the alignment of your pelvis, of your spine, will create optimal fetal positioning. So, one of the biggest reason pregnant women, comes to us is to assure that you have a balanced pelvis, because the misalignment of the pelvis is not going to allow your baby to be in a correct position. So that's when we see a lot of bridge babies, transverse positioning. So that can make labor a little bit more challenging.
Another thing that chiropractor can help you reduce is, like, as we mentioned before, the gravitational center of your body will change. So during pregnancy, you produce a lot of relaxing hormone. So your muscles and ligaments are going to be loose. So that way your pelvic can grow with your baby, but that creates a lot of instability on your back. So that's why it's so common that moms say, "Oh, I have sciatic pain." Because a lot of time people diagnose themselves too, and
Yeah.
not necessarily that's what is happening on your back, but it's really common to have that famous sciatic pain, pain in the front of your belly, pain on your upper back when your chest grows too much. Moms tends to like lean back to help with the weight, and that increases the lordosis of your back, so it will put more pressure, and that also can be one of the reasons it's causing that pain. So with all of that misalignment that it's creating in your body, chiropractor can help you.
Yes. And another one that we can help with is supporting a smoother labor and delivery. And studies show that regular chiropractic care will reduce even at 24% in your first pregnancy, um, the labor time. And that is going to decrease the need for interventions like C-section or even epidurals. Talking from myself, I have three babies. Um, Three home births, amazing experience. My first baby, it was delivered since water broke till he was out. It was just 8 hours, which is amazing for first time mama. And a big baby, he was 11 pounds, 15 ounces. He was a ginormous baby. And I delivered at home. It's very quick delivery, and it was amazing. Second baby was in an hour. He was out, and he was 10 pounds, 10 ounces, another big baby. And my third baby, he was out in around 30 minutes, two pushes, and she was 9:15. So I had three big babies, amazing humbers, amazing experiences, and it was all thanks to chiropractic care. The regular, I was getting adjusted regularly every single week. and definitely helped a lot.
I love that you mentioned the weight of your kids and that you had a natural birth because a lot of the time mom thinks it's like, oh, my baby's too big, so I cannot deliver naturally. I need to have a C-section. And your body, it's perfect. Your body will adapt to your baby, so your body will be able to deliver that baby. So never
Especially
doubt
if
on
you're
yourself.
aligned.
Yes, so never doubt on yourself in the ability that your body has. Enhancing your nervous system function. Your nervous system would control everything in your body. So hormone, digestion, even the fetal development. So keeping your spine aligned help your body function optimally for you and for your baby. So Dali, what are the common concerns that we heard in chiropractic?
Ah, so many. But one of the biggest ones is if chiropractic care is safe during pregnancy and for their babies. And the answer is completely yes, it is completely safe. There is a lot of chiropractors that are trained in chiropractic care, in prenatal care. And there is a technique. It is Webster technique. So tell us more about it, Valerie.
So Webster technique, it's in a specific chiropractic adjustment for pregnant women. So this is a specific adjustment for the sacrum. So the round ligaments are attached from the sacrum to the uterus. So the goal of the adjustment is to reduce the effect of the subluxation on the sacrum and reduce the tension in the round ligaments and the sacrotuberous ligaments. As a result of correcting that subluxation, that will facilitate the neurobiomechanical function of the pelvis. So subluxation in the sacrum can contribute to the delivery of the mom caused by poor uterine function, pelvic contraction, and poor presentation of the baby. So in other words, maybe more basic words, so if you have, as we mentioned before, chiropractors will work with your nervous system. So we want to be sure your entire body works 100%. So thinking if you have subluxation on your pelvic and those nerves that go to your uterus where it contract to help to bring your baby out, we use the hose example last time. It's like if we use a hose, it's gonna be water going through. So there is message going to that uterus, but not 100%. So correcting that subluxation, it will help to have a better function of your body, better alignment on your pelvic so your baby can have more room to move around, be in good position for birth, and be more easy for mom as well.
Yes, definitely. And another concern, a question that we often have is when can we start chiropractic care?
It's never too early to start chiropractic care. So as we mentioned before, you can start chiropractic care during your preconception. Like if you want to get pregnant, and that's the best way to do it, is like prepare your body for the journey that you're gonna have. So that way you're gonna have a better, more smooth pregnancy. Maybe it's gonna be less challenge to get pregnant as well. So that way, the more you can see chiropractor, the better it's gonna be. We need to stop thinking that the chiropractor is just when you have back pain. Chiropractors are going to help you with everything in your body. Even if you're not thinking of getting pregnant or having a baby, you can visit a chiropractor. There is no age limit since a newborn can be adjusted in 99, 100 years a person can be adjusted. It's like there is no limit in age. It's safe for everybody.
Yes, my babies, the three of them got adjusted like literally minutes after they were born. We were adjusting them immediately. It has a lot of benefits. We will talk about them in another video.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is it. If you're pregnant, if you're trying to conceive, or you just want to learn more about how your body is designed for an easier pregnancy and birth, because it can happen, you do not have to have painful pregnancy or painful labor. Like you can have a beautiful pregnancy, a beautiful labor and delivery. So with chiropractic care, that's exactly what we do, and that's why we are here. So to help you in your journey, to help you in your pregnancy, and everything from make it smoother and better for you and your baby. So we would love to hear about it. If you are have ever have experience with chiropractic during pregnancy, just comment below. or message us just to let us
Yes.
know what your
I will
experience
say
have been.
comments are going to be really good to encourage other moms that are scared about chiropractic care or think that it will not help during pregnancy. So sharing your story in a comment or your testimony of how chiropractic helped you, it's going to be really impactful, not just for us, for other moms to have a better pregnancy and a better labor.
Yes. So thank you for being here with us today, Maternity Monday, and we will see you next Monday.
Bye, guys.